Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Cognito authentication in no-code apps, full guide step-by-step clearly. To enable AWS Cognito authentication in your navigate to the Cognito service from the dashboard. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select the Create a User Pool button. Enter a name for your user pool. Next, configure the attributes you want to collect from users, such as email and phone number. Proceed to the Policies tab and set the password requirements according to your app's needs. Move to the MFA and Verifications tab to decide on multi-factor authentication settings. In the App Clients tab, click on Add an App Client. Name your app client and adjust the settings based on the level of security you desire. Save the app client details and make a note of the app client ID. After saving, navigate to the Domain Name tab to set a custom or generated domain. Enable the authentication flows under the App Client Settings section. Make sure to allow the user sign in and sign up by checking the appropriate boxes. Now, head to the Integrate Your App section in the Cognito dashboard. Copy the necessary identifiers, user pool ID and app client ID. In your no-code app builder, find the section for API integrations or authentication settings. Paste the user pool ID and app client ID into the corresponding fields. Set up the authentication endpoint URLs as per the Cognito documentation. Define the user interface for sign-up and sign-in in your no-code app. Implement the redirects for successful sign-in and sign-out events. Test the authentication flow using the app's preview mode. Check for any errors and make adjustments as necessary. After successful testing, publish your changes to make authentication live. Monitor the user activities from the Cognito dashboard for insights. This process will enable AWS Cognito authentication in your no-code app effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.